Guys, we know your wife's going to bitch about you snoring, and you're not really snoring. We know we're not actually doing it. But make her happy and get these hostage tapes. Yeah, it seems weird, but it's actually pretty cool. The problem is we're laying here with our mouth open like that, right? It's true. We're mouth breathers. Look, we know she's just being annoying, but at least you won't have to hear it anymore. Get these hostage tapes. These are really good. They're made specifically to not rip the beard hair off. They're breathable. You can breathe through them. You don't have to breathe through your nose. They try to make you do it, but you can breathe through this little fabric. They're really nice. Helps you get a better night's sleep too, just in case you happen to actually be snoring. Check it down below. See if you got any deals. And I'd encourage you to try these hostage tapes. They're actually pretty cool.